Today we're going to be taking a look at the AirFit from LANGSDOM. These are a waterproof open air sports earbud. They are ultra light at only 7 grams. They are IPX5 waterproof. This means they can't be washed. It's also great for that sweat resistance. We're going to get these open. We're going to go over some of the features. We're going to check it all out and yeah, let's go. So just with opening and that first kind of look, I really like the presentation. I think presentation is a huge part of a product experience, and the fact that it's coming in a nice sturdy case, and it's just got an overall cool vibe and aesthetic about it. It does make me pretty excited to try these out. I'm gonna connect these to my phone and actually try out the quality. The first thing I've noticed putting them on is they are really lightweight. I think if you are someone who wears earbuds for a long period of time, then these are gonna be fantastic. They're not gonna irritate your ear, they're not gonna drag down your ears or anything like that. You're actually probably gonna forget that you're even wearing them. With that lightweight does come that comfortability, and they are created with a skin-friendly silicone, so they're not gonna irritate your skin around your ears at all. They do come with this portable charging case, which can be recharged with a USB-C, and that's great because every time you put these away to store them, they're gonna recharge the earbuds. Fully charged, they can last up to 24 hours with playback time. And to connect them to your phone or device, just open it up, take them out. That will automatically put them into Discover mode. And at the bottom of your Bluetooth settings, you will have the LANGSDOM AirFit connect, and now they're connected. It's really just that simple. Sorry, I was just vibing a little too much. They have a really crisp, clear sound and definitely have a nice, deep, comfortable bass. And with this open ear design, means it's not gonna get in your actual ear canal and hurt and irritate you after a long period of time. Now these can be used for phone calls as well, but really what these are designed for is an active lifestyle. If you're someone who works out or runs in the public, you want to be able to hear your surroundings for safety or communication, then these open ear design is fantastic. It just really allows you to actually be aware of your surroundings while getting all that music nice and clear into your ears. But the downside of that is normally sweat. When you have it in the ear design, you're gonna get all gunky and sweaty in there. Sometimes they fall out, or maybe your earwax gets a little soft and gunks up all your earbuds. That's not gonna happen on these. And these are rated IPX5 waterproof. It means the sweat isn't gonna damage them and you can wash them clean after a good workout. It means if you drop them on the ground, you don't have to be concerned because you know you can wash them. If you're out running and it's raining, you don't have to worry about your earbuds getting damaged because they're IPX5 waterproof. And this is what sets them apart from a lot of different earbuds in this category. The fact that they're waterproof just makes them more user-friendly, they're comfortable, they're that lightweight, they're rugged. You can kind of flop them around. You can put them in your pocket. And of course, the last thing, like most earbuds, is you have functions. So you can control everything on the LANGSDOM logo. You can press play, you can skip tracks, back, forth, you can answer phone calls, hang up. Everything is at your control. So you don't need to be reaching for your phone while working out. Now, if you are interested in the AirFit from LANGSDOM, we are gonna be leaving a link in the description below. Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite fitness activity that these would be perfect for. Of course, share this with a friend, hit that like button and subscribe for more great reviews like this.